Welcome to the introductory guide on meditation led by Stephan. Meditation, the ancient practice of mental concentration and relaxation, traces back thousands of years, rooted deeply in various cultures worldwide. Stephan delves into these historical aspects to apprise the significance of meditation in enhancing the quality of life over centuries. He artfully connects the dots from past to present, explaining why this age-old practice is a perfect antidote to the hectic pace of today's digital world. Through meditation, individuals can achieve a state of tranquility, aiding in stress reduction and increased focus, essential in managing today's demanding lifestyles. Meditation is a powerhouse of benefits, refined through the ages to help modern individuals manage life's complexities. Primarily, it reduces stress by lowering levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, and promotes relaxation. This practice significantly boosts concentration and sharpens the mind, enabling better management of daily tasks. Furthermore, meditation plays a crucial role in enhancing emotional health by fostering greater resilience against emotional turmoil and anxiety. Overall, regular meditation cultivates a holistic sense of well-being, supporting physical health, mental clarity, and emotional stability, becoming a vital tool for maintaining balance in one's life. Creating an optimal environment is crucial for effective meditation. Stephan explains how the location should be quiet and personal, a sanctuary away from daily disturbances. The ambience of the meditation space plays a vital role. It should foster a sense of peace and serenity. Elements like soft lighting, soothing colors, and minimalistic decor can significantly enhance this atmosphere. Moreover, the timing of meditation is important. Choosing a time with the least distractions, possibly early morning or late evening, can greatly improve the quality of the session. These aspects, collectively, craft a conducive environment for meditation. Delving into meditation, Stephan illustrates various techniques that cater to different needs and preferences. Mindfulness, involving awareness of the present moment, and focused attention, centering on a single point or thought, are foundational methods. Each technique offers unique benefits, but both aim to foster a deeper state of mental clarity and concentration. Additionally, maintaining proper posture is emphasized as crucial for effective meditation. An upright, stable, and comfortable position helps prevent physical strain and enhances the psychological benefits of the practice, allowing for a deeper and more focused meditative experience. Embarking on the meditation journey can be daunting, and Stephan highlights typical hurdles like distractions and physical discomfort. Beginners often struggle with focusing as external noises or wandering thoughts invade their peace. To mitigate this, he suggests creating a dedicated meditation space and using guided sessions to maintain focus. Physical discomfort, another barrier, can be lessened through the use of comfortable cushions or chairs, and subtle adjustments to posture throughout sessions. Stephan's practical tips aim to transform these initial challenges into stepping stones, facilitating a smoother and more enjoyable experience for novice meditators.